Hi there, Elaine here with WTI. Are you the person that is always asked to bring paper plates to the party? Then upgrade your paper plate game to Chic Leaf's palm leaf plates. They are disposable plates, size 10-inch and 7-inch, and they are gorgeous. I think they look marvelous for an elegant dinner night. I appreciate the individual, unique patterns that these palm leaves bring. The intricate process of hand making these from fallen palm leaves by skilled artisans is amazing. And I love every plate. To top it off, they're excellent in the microwave. And even with juicy gravy, you don't have any worries about soggy bending plates. They are very strong. Do you hear that? Be the first to volunteer to bring Chic Leaf palm leaf plates to the party. You have the benefits of unique palm leaf plates with the elegance of dinnerware. All my friends love them. I love them and highly recommend them. And that's my point of view.